Our fridge is here, guys.
Good. Let's go check it.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, not too bad. Yeah, it's good.
Perfect fit.
Perfect.
Which is in, and honestly, I was worried originally that it was gonna stick out a little too much and it looked a little abnormal. I mean, like, it's okay. I think I could live with it. I mean, for me, I sacrificed, what is it, aesthetics for practicality. Like, I wanted something that was gonna have a deep fridge, you know, like this is 28 cubic feet, which is pretty massive. We didn't want the, what is it called, counter depth fridge. This is what sold us. I'm gonna show you guys. It's so beautiful. Oh, okay, you know, I can't open right now. I have to install everything, so, and then I'll deal with this. But yeah, it's looking beautiful. Okay. Okay, so we're just gonna get everything out of the fridge now.
That would have been a good gender reveal box. See how big it was?
We should just keep it
Yeah, for sure.
for our next gender.
You know,
Open up the handles. Just remove everything. Okay, we're back into action. I think it's pretty straightforward. Hold on, Anthony wants to bless it. Go ahead, honey.
Here you go. First bottle in. Let me fit it again. Oh, look at
This
that.
way?
Like that, right?
And then
Lock it in.
And then I think it just locks like that. That's it, right?
I
Oh,
think so, yeah.
okay, that's it.
Alright, first bottle.
Yeah.
Should I put another bottle just in case?
Sure, honey, go ahead.
Put another bottle. Oh yeah, I just put the other 2 bottles.
Where's my baby boy? There's my baby boy. Little chubby woolly. Ew, yucky, baby. Why are you eating plastic? Daddy's not watching you?
Okay.
You have to lift.
Okay. Boom. Lift this and boom. for now, and then the kids' drink boxes will infiltrate it.
Mm-hmm. There
Not
you go.
bad.
You like it, baby Blake?
Oh, got an
Put it in your
Instagram.
fridge. Well, that is it. We're gonna go pick up the kids and we'll be home soon.